Hello kiddos, let's learn shapes with different colors. Clay, watercolor. We have pink watercolor, pink clay and pink sketch. Next is blue color, blue clay and blue sketch. Next we have yellow color, yellow watercolor, yellow clay and yellow sketch. Wow! Next we have sky blue watercolor and sky blue clay. And we have sky blue sketch. Now next, red color and red clay and red sketch color. So next we have purple color, purple clay and purple sketch. Pink color, let's make star. Star shape. Wow. Triangle shape. Square shape. Circle shape.
Amazing!
Heart shape. Pentagon shape.
Amazing!
Star shape. Triangle shape. 1, 2, 3, 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides. Square shape. Square has 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides. And this is circle shape. Circle has 1 side. Heart shape. And this is pentagon shape. Pink clay. Blue clay.
Amazing!
Yellow clay. Sky blue clay.
Amazing!
Red clay. heart shape. Square. Square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Circle shape. Circle has 1 side. Rectangle shape. Rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 2 equal sides and 2 equal sides. Star shape and triangle shape. Triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. Pink color. Blue color.
Wow!
Yellow color. Sky blue color.
Amazing!
Red color. Purple color. Heart shape. Square shape. Square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 4 equal sides. Circle. Rectangle shape. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but 2 equal sides and 2 equal sides. Star shape. And last is triangle. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Bye bye kiddos. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.